Now, before we make our first investment, it's important to understand how to actually make money investing in the stock market through Robinhood. There are two common ways to make money through the stock market, and that is through asset appreciation as well as dividends. Dividends are a way that well-established companies will share a portion of their earnings with the shareholders, typically through quarterly cash payments. Not all companies pay dividends though, as many companies are not actually profitable. There's also growth stocks which are reinvesting their earnings instead of paying dividends in order to grow market share as fast as possible. The other way to make money through the stock market is through asset appreciation, or the value of the shares going up over time, and this is the old adage, buy low, sell high. In order for the stock to appreciate in value, you need to have more buyers than you have sellers of the stock, and this will be dictated by the company performance. In simple terms, you make money through the stock market by investing in companies that are expected to do well over time and then holding on to those shares. Now, another common question asked is, how can you tell if you're making money on Robinhood? One way to do this is to track the total value of your portfolio, but this can get complicated if you are bringing money in and out of your Robinhood account. If you take a look at the charts here over the last week, for example, this portfolio is up 0.26%, but over the last 3 months, it's up 4.24%. But you want to know how to track each of your investments specifically to see which ones are going up and which ones are going down, and hopefully you have a positive return on all of your individual investments. But what you can do here is scroll down to the stocks and ETFs section, and if you tap on this button here, you can change these details to show different information. So right now it is showing the total percentage change, so you can see here that overall I'm up about 3.5% on the Microsoft investment and 5.75% on VOO, or the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. You can also click on this and change it to your total return, and this shows you the dollar value that you have gained from each one of these investments. So for example, if you invested $100 and that investment grew to 110, that would be a total percentage return of 10%. And then in addition, like I showed you before, if you want to get more information, you can click into a stock or ETF that you own and scroll down to your position, and this will show you today's return as well as your total return, your average cost or cost basis, as well as the number of shares that you own in that particular stock or ETF.